Toolbox 2, Human Bill of Rights, Guidelines for Fairness and Intimacy. 1. I have the right to be treated with respect.
2. I have the right to say no.
3. I have the right to make mistakes. 4. I have the right to reject unsolicited advice or feedback.
5. I have the right to negotiate for change.
6. I have the right to change my mind or my plans. 7. I have a right to change my circumstances or course of action.
8. I have the right to have my own feelings, beliefs and opinions, preferences, etc.
9. I have the right to protest sarcasm, destructive criticism, or unfair treatment.
10. I have a right to feel angry and to express it non-abusively.
11. I have a right to refuse to take responsibility for anyone else's problems.
12. I have a right to refuse to take responsibility for anyone's bad behaviour. 13. I have a right to feel ambivalent and to occasionally be inconsistent.
14. I have a right to play, waste time, and not always be productive.
15. I have a right to occasionally be childlike and immature.
16. I have a right to complain about life's unfairness and injustices.
17. I have a right to occasionally be irrational in safe ways.
18. I have a right to seek healthy and mutually supportive relationships.
19. I have a right to ask friends for a modicum of help and emotional support.
20. I have a right to complain and verbally ventilate in moderation.
21. I have a right to grow, evolve and prosper.